All right, guys, sit down, buckle up, Lambos for everyone. So Crypto.com mistakenly sent a customer $7.2 million instead of a $68 refund. The customer kept the money. Today's video is brought to you by HeroMiners. What is your next go-to coin after the merge? Is it ETC, Ergo, Flux, Raven? If you plan on mining any of those throughout the month of September starting today, then HeroMiners is for you. Throughout the entire month of September, there will be no block reward fees, no parallel asset fees on Flux, and no payout fees on the following ETC, Ergo, Flux, or Raven coins. As well, they are dropping the Ergo confirmations from 720, which is coded into Ergo itself, down to 72, which means you get your payouts faster. And we are not done yet. So on top of Flux, parallel assets being paid out every block in Flux, future parallel assets will be added up for when they release and paid to you at a later date. Now, HeroMiners is also having a $1,500 giveaway for any miner on ETC, Ergo, Flux, or Raven. So there's $250 going to one of each coin. That's Ethereum Classic, Ergo, Flux, and Raven coin, and one $500 prize to any miner on any of those four coins throughout the entire month. So let me ask you, where's your hash at? That is absolutely insane. Could you imagine requesting a $68 refund and receiving $7.2 million? I would love to wake up for that, or at least seeing that transaction come into my wallet. Oh my gosh, this is a big mix-up. So let's see what exactly happened. The Los Angeles Lakers arena sponsoring and Matt Damon endorsed cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com accidentally transferred 10.5 million AUD, 7.2 million in USD, to an Australian customer instead of issuing a standard 100 AUD, which is 6,800 USD, due to a pretty unfortunate typo. I would say that's one heck of a typo, according to the Australian news outlet 7 News via Cointelegraph. The exchange didn't even notice the error until 7 months later, and by that time, a portion of the money was already gone. So I'm not telling no one, look what I got. See you later. Yeah, they did it. They did. I'm not even gonna let them know. Oh my gosh, 7 months ago. That's insane. The initial transfer occurred in May of 2021 after an employee accidentally typed an account number in the payment amount field. Crypto.com only realized the mistake when conducting an audit in December of 2021. Oh my gosh, I wonder what that employee is doing right now. Flipping burgers at McDonald's? I don't know. Instead of reporting the incorrect refund to Crypto.com, the customer in question, whatever that name is, reportedly transferred the cash to a joint account and spent $1.3 million, 890,526 USD, on a luxurious 5-bedroom home for his sister. Well, that's nice of him, huh? That's really nice, actually. Now the company's fighting to get its cash back with a lawsuit filed in the Victoria Supreme Court. As noted by The Guardian, Crypto.com successfully put a freeze on this guy's account in February. The court has also ordered that he must sell his home and return the money with interest to the exchange. The case will resume in court this October, and Crypto.com declined to comment on the situation. A crypto winter isn't the only reason why exchanges are losing money lately. I guess fat-fingered errors are also an apparent threat. Earlier this week, the Solana-based decentralized exchange Opti vaporized $661,000 after a developer accidentally shut down the entire program powering the exchange using the fatal Solana program close. That's like, what is that? Alt-delete, Control-Alt-delete, Alt-F5, Alt-C, Alt-Z, Control-C, these video game type of alts. That's not bad. They probably shouldn't have something so easy to shut down the entire exchange or the network or whatever it was here. That's insane. Now the exchange is calling for a warning message when using the prompt to prevent similar situations going forward. Maybe they shouldn't have this prompt in the first place, but maybe it's, they're getting, oh my gosh, we're getting attacked. We got a virus. Hit the kill command. And, now we're going to have to go through some authentication before we can hit the kill command. All right, guys. So I did find this very funny and pretty interesting. So I figured I would share it with you guys. But I don't know what's going to go on with this whole court battles. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this whole situation. And what if you were in that guy's shoes where you were sent the $7.2 million and then, you know, a year down the road, they're like, hey, give us our money back. What would you do in that case? And you already spent half of it. Oh my gosh. What do I do? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.